In this tutorial I will show you how to create a best social media post design in Photoshop. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Gradient Color. Follow the process. Color Style Radial. Go to File and choose Place Embedded. Select the image. Click on Place. Go to File and choose Place Embedded. Select the burger image. Click on Place. Create a new layer. Select the brush tool. Create a shadow. Adjust the shadow. Go to Type tool. Change the font style. Change the font color. Type your text. Go to File and choose Place Embedded. Select the logo image. Click on Place. Adjust the logo. Go to Type tool. Change the font style. Change the font color. Type your text. Go to Type tool. Type your text. Go to Rectangular tool and draw the shape. Corner radius value 7 point. Go to Type tool and type your text. Go to Type tool and type your mobile number. Change color is white.
No.
Right-click and choose Blending option. Select Color Overlay. Choose this color. Press OK.
No.
Go to Circle tool and draw the circle. Go to Type tool and type your text. Change color is dark red. Follow the process. Go to File and choose Place Embedded. Select the vector and click on Place.
No.
Go to File and choose Place Embedded. Select the icon. Right-click and choose Blending option. Change this color. Press OK. Go to Type tool and type your address.
No.
Go to File and choose Place Embedded. Select the social media icon. Follow the process. That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials.